how you can verify your eToro account. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it, so let's get started. First, open the eToro app on your phone or computer. When you log in, you might see a message that says complete your profile. This means you need to finish setting up your account. Click on that message and start filling in your personal details. You'll need to enter your name, address, and answer some questions about your trading experience. It's like filling out a simple form. After that, eToro will ask you to verify your phone number. Choose your country code, type in your phone number, and then click to send a text message. When you get the code, enter it to confirm your number. Next, you need to upload a picture of your ID. This can be your passport, driver's license, or another official ID. Make sure the photo is clear and shows your full name, date of birth, and the expiration date. Then, you'll need to upload a document that shows your address. This can be a bank statement, utility bill, or a letter from your local government. Make sure it's not older than 3 months and that your name and address are easy to read. Once you've uploaded all the documents, eToro will review them. This might take a few days. You can check if your account is verified by looking for a green check mark next to your username. And that's it. That's how you can verify your eToro account.